Do you like to spam emotes in chat, or do you just want a new cool looking badge? Welcome back to Simple Streaming, guys, and today I'm going to show you how to get GlitchCon Badge. Hey, it's been a long time, guys, but welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get this GlitchCon Badge. I believe this is a time limit badge, so you better get it before it's too late. Here's how to do it. So the first thing that you want to do is go to twitchcon.com, and on the top right corner you see login. Click on login and authorize your account. Log in with your Twitch account. Authorize. Then once you've done that, you can just close the tab and go to twitch.tv/twitch, and you have to follow the channel because it's followers mode only. And then I already followed it, so follow them. And then here says now it's emote only, so just spam a lot of emotes like seems good, smiley face. Just spam. You see a lot of people are already spamming, and spam, and do it a couple times, like maybe 3 to 5 minutes, or maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And then once you've done that, after a while, maybe try to refresh the page and do it again and then you can go and check your chat settings. Just click on the wheel, see your identity, click on edit, and you shall see this new icon here called GlitchCon 2020. It is just simple as that. So I already got my Amsterdam TwitchCon 2020 yes, 2020, and I got Good Luck Have Fun badge. I have a video about how you can get Good Luck Have Fun badge, so go check that out. And here's, you just click on those two, then click back, and if you type in chat, you'll see you have it displayed next to your name. So this chat is going way too fast now, so I'm gonna go to my channel and I'm just gonna spam one emote. Oh, I don't have it in my channel. Yeah, I have to change it in every channel, sadly. So if I do it here, click that, and let's try again. Let's do and there you see, we shall have the GlitchCon badge next to your name. So this emo is very easy to get. I personally think it looks really cute. That's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to drop a like to this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Boo.